Hello friends, welcome back to the Power Technicals. Today we are going to analyze L&T Finance Holding share. We will see whether to initiate a fresh buying in it or not, or if we have already bought this share from the lower level, is it the time to book the profit or we can hold it. So without wasting a time, let's go on to the chart of L&T Finance Holding. So here we are on the monthly chart of L&T Finance Housing, and you can see here this share have created a high of 198 in 2017, and from that time onwards it is in the downtrend. And I can draw a trend line. You can see this trend line. It has tried lot of time in the past to break this but did not succeeded. You can see here first time, second time, third time, and this is fourth time in January month. January, you can see January 2021, and then in February 2021 it broke it, right? So that means it has started. It might have started the uptrend. Now let's go into the div again. You can see this trend line breakout is very important, but you can see one more level over here which is very important, and this level is this, right? This level. So you can see here also it tried in November 16 and failed, and then when it is coming down it took the support here and went up, then broke, right? Then again here it has taken a resistance here, and then again taken a resistance here, and again you can see from this level only it has started falling. So now what is the conclusion here? And one more thing, you can see from down it is following this trend line, right? So that means now what are the conclusion we can draw here? So we should not initiate fresh buying here. Why we should not start? Because you can see if the support, if you draw here, this is the support, right? If this breaks this support, this will directly come here, right? So do not initiate the fresh buying. Okay, so this is, you can see on the monthly chart we have drawn the resistance is 100 rupees to 105, right? If it close above this, okay, let me change the level, because already it has given closing about 105. So it is not able to give the closing about 105. The moment it will give the closing above 105, we can start the fresh buying, right? And so this is your resistance, this is your support. It should not break this support. If it breaks, it will come down very fast, and it will come here. It can come to 67 and 63, right? So this is what in monthly we are able to see. Now let's go into the weekly chart and we'll see some more facts. Now you can see here it is clear, one time, two time, three time, and four time it tried. Now you see, I will tell you, do not start. One more reason why not to start a fresh buying in this share if you already don't have it, don't buy it. Reason is, you can, very simple, you can see here it is in uptrend, high, low, then high, then low, then high, then low, then high, and then it can come here low. And you can see this is nothing but head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, and this is your right shoulder. If this pattern gets activated, you know what is the target. The target of head and shoulder is neckline to head. So neckline to head is this. So you can take this from the breakout, and exactly it is coming to 61. So very high probability, if it breaks, it will come here. So that's why do not do the fresh buying in this share, right? And you can see when it is coming down, see the volume. Every time the volume of red candles is high, only you can exception is this leg. right? So be careful. Now what you can do here, if you want, you can take a very little risk here. The one who wants to start a fresh buy, suppose this shares goes like this. From here it doesn't, suppose it does not break, and then it take the support and it goes up. So when it going up, you can buy it with a stop loss of this. So stop loss will be very small, right? But the reward can be very great. Why? Because it can go, because it is already an uptrend, it can go up to any level. At least this level you can expect, right? 103 or 100 level. So either start a fresh buying here with a very small stop loss, which is really very risky, because it is forming head and shoulder also, and the volume of red candle is also very high, right? So it is risky, and for the conservative people I will only say start fresh buying above 105, otherwise don't buy this share. Okay, so let me remove this. So what is the conclusion here? In the weekly chart also we can see that we cannot buy this share right now, because there is a formation of head and shoulder, and the red candle volumes is also very high, right? Now let's go and see in daily chart. So there is nothing new in daily chart also. In daily chart, yeah, I am able to see one trade in daily chart, which is short trade. What you can see, this trend line has been broken, right? You can see. Now what price can do, it can retest the same price, this breakout price. Okay. So if it comes here, if it is comes here, from here, if it comes here, then you have to sell it with a stop loss of this, you can say 96, and the target of 86, right? But please remember, uh, you have to sell this only when you are getting some confirmation over here on 94. Confirmation means any pin bar rejection from upside, or any bearish engulfing pattern, or any bearish dark cloud pattern, any candlestick pattern. If you are able to see, then we can definitely sell over there, right? So this is daily analysis, and same analysis I think valid in hourly also, right? Because there is no buy trade here. Okay, there is no buy trade here, but price can go here, and then from here it will definitely, it will come here, I guess, right? So please do not buy this share. Either buy on this near 84, 86, right? Or buy above 105. So this is what the conclusion is. So this is first time I have created a video in English. So I want suggestion from you guys, that should I deliver in English or should I continue in Hindi only. This is my first video in English, okay, which I am uploading on YouTube. So please let me know, I should use Hindi or I should use English.